wolves, I bet I lead the pack. Yeah, I'm grinding right now, cannot hold me back. Every time I get mad, I rage, I go outside to swing my bat. Every time I get mad, I rage, I go outside, I pop out the cut like a bat, Put that boy in the mat,
They got carnitas and menudo on the weekends.
Word.
Yes, it's by Imperial.
YouTube, it's your boy Jada Dunn back with another video. As you can see, we got a lineup full of cars right now.
You should do it in 0.5, baby.
It's in 0.5.
It is?
Yeah.
Oh.
It's definitely in 0.5. Actually, I'm gonna go out forward for real. But we got a lineup full of cars. Got a stand right here. But we finna head to this car meet, man. It's a nice vet right there too. If you're new to the channel, man, make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna give y'all some rolls on the way there.
Damn, this shit hard. 93 degrees crazy. My sister coming, grandma knows.
gonna pick the camera up whenever we make it to the destination. I hope y'all enjoying the video so far. You know what I'm saying? Some B-rolls of me and the gang in traffic, you know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna definitely turn y'all back on when we make it to the destination. So y'all just stay tuned for the video. Somebody's around.
A few moments later.
Alright, YouTube, peep the drip. I got on the bread Fords, a little antisocial tee. Got a little design on the back. Got stain. My baby dirty as hell. Y'all see it. Dirty as fuck. I don't know what this is, but they right here. We down deep as shit though.
Like, comment, and subscribe, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Y'all know all that, man. Tapped in with my boy 392 Aaron. We both on the way to 2K subs, man. You know what I'm saying?
You ain't got nowhere to park over here. Yeah, walk to the right side, yeah. How's the parking? We all park beside each other. Yeah. Oh no, they took the woman told us because she know we was trying to park. She was like in the cut, bro. I was still popping my shit. I did not see him, bro. You know, I got a half a tag missing. I got scared as hell.
A few moments later.
Alright, bro. Just a little hungry. So, y'all see this? We got life-size pizza right here. Yeah. Alright, y'all. We done made it back to where the whip was. We really just came to get some pizza, man. So, we're gonna give y'all a little rundown. See how y'all, or we're gonna give a review type vibe on the pizza.
Mukbang? Mukbang?
Mukbang. I ain't got nowhere to sit the camera up. But I'm gonna show y'all what's out here in a minute. Let me bust down this pizza and I'm gonna just give y'all a walk around, bro. Like I said, man, you new to the channel, make sure you drop a like, comment, subscribe. I'm on the way to 2K subs, man, so y'all know what to do, no cap. Alright, y'all, we just got done eating. I'm finna show y'all what they got out here for real. We got a Mustang line up. JDMs. This M3 crazy.
Ben's over there. What they got over there?
You finna head over there in a second. Damn. You got them bags. Flat out Hondas.
I did. Showed it.
Oh.
Look at that Honda, baby. What's wrong with that one?
Oh, with the wrap on it?
Yeah.
Look at this GTR. That's on smooth.
It is smooth. That shit nice as fuck.
And that BMW too.
You see the lip on the front?
Mm-hmm. I was looking at it.
You got
That JDM car.
Huh?
It's a JDM.
What's JDM?
From Japan.
Those are allowed here?
Yeah, they gotta get it imported. Look at this Supra and this GTR right here. This shit's sick as hell. Firebird, Lancer, Infinity.
Look at that charger there.
I see he got an RGB kit on there. Some crazy shit out here, y'all.
Drop top BMW. Drop top WBM.
That bitch smooth.
Or WB.
Nah, I don't like no BMs. That's baby mamas.
Baby mamas. You don't like baby mamas?
No.
You don't want no baby mamas?
I want a
You
wife.
want me baby mamas?
Y'all see it's deep as fuck out here.
Nice out though.
I'm about to get a thumbnail. He got a turbo on that bit right there. That's crazy. That's super tough. Nissan. Yeah, that's pretty much it. That's out here for real, for real. I'm gonna go up the hill and see what's over there. But it's a lit little car meet. Lit little car meet.
If I put a lip like that on my car, it look good.
That'll look like them other. It'll look good on the 4-door. Look at this Beamer.
Okay, bye.